Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iMessage getting signed out error. In today's video, Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. Now in this error, what happens is when you try to send a message, your iMessage just gets signed out. Now to fix that, first what you'll have to do is make sure that your internet connection is really strong. Now if you're using your Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi is working correctly, and if you're using your cellular data, make sure it's not on low data mode or it's a really strong connection. So if both of those are not the case, what you can do is just open up your settings, and after you open your settings, just scroll down till you find the messages. Now it's right there, and after you do that, make sure that your iMessage button is toggled on. Now if it's toggled off, make sure it's toggled on, and if it's toggled on, just turn it off and turn it on. Now after you do that, this should basically fix the problem, guys, but if it does not, what you can do is just go to your settings again and just scroll above, go to general, and after you're on general, just scroll down till you find reset option, tap on reset and reset all settings. Now this will reset your iPhone, but you will not lose any data, and this should fix the problem. But if this does not fix the problem, the other way to fix it is by just scrolling down and going to general and just check if there is a software update available. If there is, just make sure that you update your software to its latest version and you'll be good to go. So yeah, that is basically it, guys. That is how you do it. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and if you did, just hit the like button down below, and that is all for the video.